Hello everyone, my name is Chandan and today I'm going to tell you that why is business important. So there are so many reasons. The very first reason that you can think of is that you are the boss of your own life, right? You don't need permissions from anyone, you don't need to work under anyone. So if you want to live your life the way you want to live, so I think there is none other option better than business. But before starting business, I think you should have some of the clarity and knowledge of a few things, like some numbers and some terms you should know, right? So to make clarity about these things, we offer you classes on business. There will be more practicality and real world application so that your mindset will be shapen accordingly. Let's take an example, developing professional knowledge and skills. So this course provides in-depth knowledge and skills in critical areas such as finance, marketing, management and entrepreneurship. So this course is designed in such a way so that you can handle the critical situations as well that you have not faced before, or the situation that you have never thought of. Networking opportunities, it's not like you alone can do everything, right? You need a networking chain so that you grow your business in various fields, in various areas, right? To successfully launch and manage a startup, from writing a business plan to understanding market dynamics, these courses cover all aspects of entrepreneurship. So in nutshell, I must say that by enrolling in business courses, you equip yourself with the knowledge, skills and network necessary to excel in the competitive business world. So if you want to start your own business or simply enhance your professional skills, business course provides a solid foundation for achieving your goals. It's not like you have to join the courses only if you want to start your business. There are other jobs as well which provides these skills and this knowledge. So it will definitely going to help you in that way also. So let me just tell you about some businessmen so that you can have the idea the way you should join business, so that you can feel inspired and motivated to start your business. So there are businessmen like Dhirubhai Ambani, who think out of the box, who transformed the textile industry in India and later diversified into petrochemicals, telecommunication and retails. Dhirubhai Ambani once said that if you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to build theirs. अगर आप अपने सपनों को पूरा नहीं करेंगे then कोई और आपको हायर कर लेगा so that वो अपने सपनों को पूरा कर सके. रतन टाटा जी, who believed in ethical business strategies, practices and corporate social responsibility. He believes in giving back to society, right? And Ratan Tata ji once said that I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and then make them right. Isn't it inspiring? Narayan Murthy ji, founder of Infosys, he believed in simplicity, honesty and power of social ethical foundation in business. You know what Narayan Murthy ji once said, that प्रगति अक्सर मन और मानसिकता के बीच के अंतर के बराबर होती है. Elon Musk, founder of SpaceX and Tesla, and once he quote that when something is important enough, you do it even when the odds are not in your favor. अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई चीज आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है, आप वो चीज करते हो भले ही परिस्थितियां आपके फेवर में ना हो. एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनैलिटी है डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प. ही इज नोन फॉर हिज एक्सटेंसिव यूज ऑफ डेट इन बिजनेस वेंचर्स, राइट? उन्होंने बिजनेस करने के लिए डेट लिया सो दैट वो टैक्स से बच सके. ऐसा नहीं कि वो डेट नहीं चुका सकते थे, वो डेट लेते थे एंड देन इन्वेस्ट करते थे, क्योंकि डेट पे टैक्स नहीं लगता तो वो डेट में ही रहते थे, डेट को कभी क्लियर करते ही नहीं थे. Like this is one of the unique strategies of a businessman कि टैक्स से बचने के लिए वो डेट लेते हैं देन डेट से इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. So these are some of the inspirations for you, but I believe that inspiration comes from within. When you have that determination, that enthusiasm and that capability to start your business, no one can stop you. So if you enroll with us and you have an idea of business which is engaging and interesting, we will definitely going to help you by investing in your business. Maximum we can invest is 5 lakh and minimum we can is 2 lakh. For minimum 10% equity, however it can be negotiable. Apart from that, we can help you in other ways like networking, marketing, etc. So if you have an idea and you are wondering here and there, you can come to us, enroll with us and join with Success Pathfinder so that we can help you in grow your business along with you. So all the best. Thank you so much for watching. And come enroll yourself with Success Pathfinder and let's grow together.